Hello students, in this video we will learn permutation and combination. And firstly, we will try to solve exercise 7.1. Now the first thing is, what is permutation? Your permutation is nothing but arrangement. Okay, it can be arrangement of numbers or arrangement of the outcomes of a coins, like that. And your combination means selection. So exercise 7.1, mostly now we will do the permutation part. Okay, once you solve the question you will understand it very nicely. So this is the first question of exercise 7.1. How many digits number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of the digits is allowed? That means we have to form 3 digits numbers using this number. Okay, now firstly what you will do is make a box. Okay, for 3 digit number you need 3 boxes. This is your, say, 1 place, this is your 10th place, this is your 100th place. Okay, now from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first is repetition of the digits is allowed. That means now say for the 100th place. Okay, for the 100th place, suppose example you're taking 1, and again in the 10th place also you're taking 1. Similarly in the 1 place also you're taking 1. That means 111 is a 3 digit number. That means you see here repetition of a digit is allowed. That's why first in 100 place I have taken 1. In the second one also I can keep 1, and the 1 place also I can use 1. That is the meaning of repetition of digits. Now we have to find how many 3 digits numbers can be formed. Now for this first place, that is the 100th place. Okay, how many options you will be left to form with? If you can start with 1, a number say 1, then you can start a 3 digit number with 2, 3, 311 or 333, anything, 4 and 5. Say 511, 423, like that. But in the 100th place, what you can fill is, you can fill with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 ways you can fill with this number, okay, to form a 3 digit number. The first place, that means in the 100th place, number of ways will be 5. Okay, that is, it can start with number 1 or 2 or 3, 4 or 5. Okay, now in the second place also, in this place, this is the second place. Here also you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, because repetition of the digits is allowed. If I have taken 2, then here also I can take 2. In the 1 place also I can use 2. That means in the 10th place also I will be left with 5 options. Any number I can use. So here also I will have 5 ways. And in the 1 place also similarly, digits is allowed. So here also I will have 5 options. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any number I can fill up. So total 3 digits numbers is, by principle of counting, we will multiply this number. What you are going to write is, write down 100 place can be filled in 5 ways. Okay, the next is 10th place. 10th place can be filled in 5 ways, and my 1th place can be filled in 5 ways. 1 or unit place, okay, anything. So now by principle of fundamental counting, you will multiply this 100, 10 and 1 place. Okay, so first is in 100 place is 5, next is also 5, and the 1 place also we have 5 ways. So 25 into 5 you will get 125. That means 125 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming repetition of the digits is allowed. Okay. Now next, repetition of the digits is not allowed this time. So we need to form 3-digit number. Make a box. Okay. This is your 100 place. This is your 10 place. This is your 1 place. Okay, or unit place. Now the numbers given are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Firstly, you will count from the 100 place. As I have told you, you can start a 3-digit number with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. That means you will have options. 5 options you will have. Okay, 5 options. And if from here you have taken 1, okay, then again if you take 1, that will be wrong. That is repetition of the digits. But in the question it's given repetition of the digits is not allowed. That means 1 I will not use here. I cannot use. Okay, I cannot use 1 here. If suppose I have taken 1 in the 100 place, then the 10th place I will be left with only 4 numbers, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, or suppose if you have taken in 100 place number 2, then you will be left with number 1, 3, 4 and 5. That means you will be left with 4 numbers here. Okay, similarly in the 1th place. Okay, suppose in 100 place you have taken 1 and in 10 place you have taken 2. Okay, so since repetition of the digit is not allowed, you will be left with 3 numbers. So in this place you will be left with only 3 numbers. Okay, this is just for example I'm using. So I hope till here you understood. Now you will write in 100 place. 100 place can be filled in 5 ways. Okay. Now next is in 10th place. 10th place can be filled in 4 ways. And last is 1 place can be filled in 3 ways. I'm writing in short, by principle of fundamental counting, you multiply all this, okay, number of ways, that is 5 into 4 into 3, 60. You will get 60 number of 3-digit numbers using the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where repetition of the digit is not allowed. Okay, please you write the written part more nicely. Okay, so I hope question number 1 is clear to you. Now this is question number 2. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits can be repeated? Okay, again here also 3-digit even number this time. So make a 3 box. This is your 100 place, 10 place and your 1 place. Now how to identify an even number? An even number means, say using this number, okay, 5, 4, 2. Say 5, 4, 5. Okay, I am using this from here only. Okay, from this number only. So now you see this is your 100 place, this is your 10 place, this is your 1 place. Now for even number is always in your 1 place, means it must be an even number only. Okay, then only it is a 3-digit even number. Always you see 1 in the 1 place, the numbers must be even. Now example, this is your odd number. The 100 place can be odd number, okay? 542. You check whether this is even or not. Divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2. 272s. 2 into 272 will give us 542. That means 542 is an even number. Now you see what happened here. In the one place I am using an odd number. You try, this number cannot be divided by, it's not divisible by 2. Okay. So one must remember this. In the one place the numbers must be even. Now in the 100 place, how many number of ways, how many numbers can be used here? There are 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means here you can start with all the 6 numbers. Okay. That is, we have 6 ways. Now in the 10th place. Okay. In the 10th place, it's given digits can be repeated. So this part, it can be any number using from here. Okay. If I have taken here 1, I can use here 1 because digits can be repeated. So in this case here also I can use all the 6 numbers. Okay. Now for the 1 part, in this 1 place. Okay. In this 1 place, because we need an even number, we have to put only even numbers only. Now from here, which are the even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4 and 6 only. So in this case, in the 1 place, you have only 3 numbers. You cannot use other number. So you have only 3 ways. Okay. I hope this one is clear to you. Now you write, the 100 place can be filled up by 6 ways. Similarly, the 10th place can be filled up by 6 ways. And your 1 place can be filled up by 3 ways. Okay. Now by principle of fundamental counting, total 3-digit even number can be formed when digits can be repeated are, multiply all this, 6 into 6 into 3. 6 6 is 36 into 3. 3 6 is 18. So 108 numbers of 3-digit even numbers can be formed using the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when digits are repeated. Okay. I hope this one is clear to you. Next is question number 3. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letters can be repeated? That is a 4-letter code. Okay. So you make it the 4 boxes. Okay. That is first, second, third and fourth. Okay. Now first 10 letters of the English alphabet. As you all know, English alphabet A to J will give us the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. Okay. Now here no letters can be repeated. So consider the first place. The first place can be filled up by, I can start the 4-letter code with this number, these letters. Okay. I can start with till A to J. That means my first option is, for the first place I have 10 letters. So 10 ways. Okay. Now if suppose in the first place I have taken A. Okay. For the first place, a 4-letter code, isn't it? Now if I have taken the A and letters cannot be repeated, means in the second part I will be left with A I cannot use, so I will be left with B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I'm just giving you an example, okay? That means I will be left with 9 letters only. So here I will be left with 9 letters only once if I use 1 letter here. Similarly in the third place, okay? In the third place, suppose I have used B. Then in the third place I will be left with only only 8 letters. See, if I take A here, B here, then I will be left with only 8 letters. So 8 numbers can be filled. Similarly for the fourth one, it will be only 7. Okay. So first place can be filled up by, you write down the sentence 10 ways. Now second place can be filled up by 9 ways. And third place can be filled up by 8 ways, or you can write 8 letters. Okay. Fourth place can be filled up by 7 ways or 7 letters. You write according to the question. Okay. Now by principle of fundamental counting, you write in full sentence. Total 4-letter code can be formed is multiply all the number of ways, that is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, you will get 5040 numbers of 4-letter code using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letter can be repeated. You write the sentence. I am writing it short, but you write the whole sentence and write it nicely. Okay, so I hope question number 3 is clear to you. Now next come to question number 4. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appear more than once? See, no digit appear more than once means numbers cannot be repeated. Okay, they are just changing the sentence. It means that numbers cannot be repeated. Now we need a 5-digit telephone number. Make 5 boxes. But the condition given here is if each number starts with 67. That means the first and second place is booked. First number will start from 6 and the second number will start from 7. Okay. Now we have to select from here these 3 digits. Now the numbers are 0 to 9. Okay. These are the numbers 0 to 9. Now in the third place, okay, numbers cannot be repeated. If 6 is already taken, okay, 7 is already taken, I will be left for the third place will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I will be left with only 8 ways. Okay, I will be left with only 8 numbers. Now in the fourth place means 1 will be reduced again. That means it will be 7 ways. Here will be 6 ways. Okay, because numbers cannot be repeated. So first place can be filled up by only one number, that is 1 way. Okay. Second also only with 7. I cannot use any other number. So it is also 1 way. Third place can be filled up by 8 ways. Fourth place can be filled up by 7 ways. And fifth place can be filled up by 6 ways. Okay. By principle of fundamental counting, write the whole sentence. I am writing it short. Multiply 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay. You see what you get? You will get 336. Okay. Total 336 number of 5-digit telephone number we can construct using the digit 0 to 9 when each phone number starts with 67. Okay. I hope this one is also clear to you. Now next is question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Okay. Now a coin means only one coin. And one coin is tossed 3 times. Okay. So I am making 3 boxes. Say this is for the first toss, second toss and third toss. You know, when you toss a coin, the outcomes are always head and tail only. Okay. So in the first toss also, what you will get outcome is head and tail. Okay. 2 outcomes. And again the same coin if I toss second time again I will get head and tail only, head or tail. Okay, head or tail. Now third also I will get either head or tail. Okay, now total outcome means what you will get. The first is you have two ways. Okay, you may get head or you may get tail. So 2 into, in the second place also what you will get 2, that is head or tail, into third also 2. That means total outcome is you will get 8 outcome. Okay, 8. This 8 how? When a coin is tossed 3 times, suppose in the first place you may get head, okay, and in the second toss also you may get head, or in the third toss also you may get head, or you may get this type of arrangement also. Okay, head, or in the third time you may get tail. Okay, or in the second time you may get tail and then head or tail and tail. Okay, you may get this way also, and the first you may get tail. Okay, you may get tail. So these are the combinations which we will get when we toss 3 times. Tail, then in the second I may get head, or third time also I may get head, tail, head, tail, or tail, tail, head, or tail, tail, tail. Okay, so I may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will get 8 outcomes like this when you toss 3 times. Okay, first also I got head, third toss also I got head. So like this I will get, from here only I can figure out 8. Now when you check you will get 8. Okay, so I hope this one is clear to you. And question number 6. Given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? Okay, a signal, for one signal is a combination of 2 flags. Okay, one below the other. That means we cannot use the same color, 5 flags of different color. Okay, say the color may be blue, orange, red, yellow, okay, and white. Say I took 5 colors. I cannot use if in the first flag I use blue, then in the second flag I cannot use blue. Okay, because you see requires the use of 2 flags. Okay, not of same color but different color. So for the first flag I can fill up with 5 colors. Okay, I am left with 5 colors of flag. And in the second flag, that means same color I cannot use, means suppose if I have used blue in the first flag, then I will be left with 4 colors. 4. Okay, so total number of signals can be generated is 5 into 4. So 20 different signals can be generated. Okay, using this 5 flags of different color. Okay, so I hope this exercise is very clear to you.